Hi, it's Jacob at Calibre Group Solutions. Now, I want to stress something to everyone, and that is why you need video in your dealership now more than ever. And I can't stress this enough. Over the last couple of months, we've seen one of the biggest changes that we're going to see in decades in the way that our business models run as dealerships. It used to be straight line sells cars. Now it is a great working and functioning website sells cars. The emphasis on online selling has gone through the roof. People are still engaging, they're still needing these vehicles, yet they can't visit your physical dealership. So what are you doing to make sure that you stand out compared to your competitors? Now, it's all good and well changing the verbal side of things in your adverts and making sure the pictures are pristine, which they no doubt are. So the area that we can now compete is using video. Video is going to be the differentiator between the good, the bad and the ugly. It's going to make all the difference in helping you stand out online. So when people come onto your website, when they come onto your listings on certain platforms, they're going to see you in the way that they should. They're going to see you as a dealership that's taking your online world as serious as your in real life world. Because the virtual sales place is going to be the new marketplace. We've heard it by a few CEOs in the dealerships at the moment. When they go back, they're not going back to the same dealership. They are going back to a completely new business. And that's how it is. As much as we want to hold on to how it's always been, it is about to change in a big way. And there are only a few ways that we can really stand out. And that is making sure our online game is at its very best. And one of the best ways to do that in today's world is utilising video. Making sure your cars look as good as they possibly can. Showing people them in such detail that they don't feel like they need to be physically there looking at them. These videos are going to be the difference between you being able to sell a car via an email and not. It's as simple as that. These videos are quite literally going to be the transparency for your dealership. So putting these together in a really professional but simple way is going to completely transform how your business looks online, how your brand, how your dealership looks, because it can show the staff, it can show the people, it can show the real feelings and the energy behind the dealership as if the customers were there with you, but you're doing it all virtually and all proactively through your own use of video. This is where I can see in the next few months, it used to be few years, but now it's just thrown to a few months. This is the place where people are either going to win or fail. And if your videos, or if your online forecourt isn't looking as good as your real forecourt, then you need to consider this as the new area to really, really make an effort. So make sure everyone is trained, everyone knows exactly what they're doing, and everyone is fully engaged with this new digital age, because it's here, and it's here a lot quicker than we thought it was going to be. So as I said, this is why if you're a dealership right now, you need to be investing in video. If you haven't already, this should be a priority. Of course, after the safety of your staff and your customers, absolutely paramount. And that's the key first thing. But as a business moving forward and finding new ways to create business and to develop your business to last and to stand out in this new age, video is where it's going to be. Hopefully this has got someone fired up and got someone really thinking, do you know what, this is an area, I needed someone to tell me this is where I need to go, because this is completely going to transform how the business is run. And if we haven't seen it already, our businesses are about to transform. So if you're a dealership, get into video and get into it quick. I've been Jacob, I'm the Digital Director at Calibre Group Solutions, and I will catch you in another video.